Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers Nissan Pathfinder step by step. Start by raising the wiper arm and securing it so it stays upright. Remove the old blade by pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook. Inspect the arm for damage and clean the contact area with a cloth. Align the new blade, slide it into the hook until it clicks, then lower the arm gently. Once the wiper arm is secured, press the small release tab on the connector to unhook the old blade, then slide the blade off the arm. Inspect the connector and arm for rust or bends and clean any debris. Handle the arm carefully so it does not spring back onto the windshield. Repeat the same process on the other side to ensure both blades are removed before installing replacements. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car care tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a handy workshop companion for timers and music. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the old blades removed, position the replacement blade so the connector matches the arm type and orientation. Slide the blade onto the hook and push until you hear or feel a secure click. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield and repeat for the other side. Turn on the wipers to test in intermittent and low settings to confirm smooth operation and proper windshield contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.